Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. First off, Happy New Year, as well as Happy Friday, and also Go Penn State, the 2023 Rose Bowl Championship. Gotta love that. And let's address the elephant in the room. I chipped my nail polish. I know, it's sad. So we'll just have to deal with it. You know, muster on. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. All the supplies I've used are in the description box below. I'm going to be using the Brewed for You and the coordinating dies. Let's go. There's a great masculine birthday card. I hope you liked it. I used the Snowfall Accents puff paint to create the foam on top of the beer. I thought that was a cool little accent to add. Decorated the inside and the envelope. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.